Hello friends, welcome to Cooking and Baking with Shatabdi. Today I'm going to show how to make chocolate cake balls.
This is a very easy and quick recipe and it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Belle's Kitchen asked me of the 5 minutes cooking challenge, which I accepted it and came up with this recipe. Those who don't know Belle's Kitchen, she is specialized on vegetarian recipe. I will share the link in my description. So let's start the recipe. In order to make this chocolate cake balls, we just need 2 ingredients. One is leftover cake. I have a chocolate cake and melted white chocolate. That's it. To start with, first I have to mash the cake. So with the help of a fork, I'm mashing the cake. The cake is almost mashed. I will use my hand now, mash for another 30 seconds. I will mash the cake till it's turned into dough. So it looks like the cake dough is ready. Now I will make small balls out of it. I have taken a spoon. I will take small portions of it and make small balls.
See, my first chocolate cake ball is ready.
So now I will make all the balls one by one. So all the balls are ready. Now it's time to use the second ingredients. I have melted the white chocolate and I will pour this in the Ziploc bag. Here I have taken small size cupcake liners and on each liners I will place one chocolate balls. So I have poured the melted chocolate in the Ziploc bag. I will make small holes and I will make stripes on the chocolate balls. So, the yummy chocolate balls are ready. You can make this in any birthday parties and kids will enjoy this a lot. So now it's my turn to pass the challenge. So I'm passing the 5 minutes cooking challenge to Toast to Taste and also Cook with Sikha. Those who don't know them, both are amazing cooks and they both are specialized in Bengali and continental cooking. I will share their channel links on my description below. So the chocolate cake balls are ready. If you want, you can put it in the fridge for 15 minutes and then serve. If you like my video, give a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. Also press the bell for regular notification. So see you on my next video. Bye for now. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye.